Hey guys, it's me, Robyn, and I wanted to share with you a quick shake recipe. And it's going to be really tasty, but I like cashew milk. It tends to be a little bit creamier than almond milk, but almond milk is great if you want that flavor in a particular shake. This actually has only one carb. I do cut it in half, so I use part filtered water and then part cashew milk, because I find the cashew milk actually makes the shake even thicker. And then all we're going to do today is going to take, we've got powdered peanut butter, right? Here's the PB Fit. I believe I got this at Sam's in bulk, and I'm just going to use 1 tablespoon of it. La-da. Sorry, am I sideways? I feel sideways. All right, so, and again, like I said, I get it in a giant jar because you can never have enough powdered peanut butter. And then I'm a big fan of the Walden Farms. There are stevia brands now. I think Lacado, if that's how you say it, has a, stevia-based syrup. I happen to really like Walden Farms. Has no carbs if you're no carbonate or keto. And I'm also going to put, but it's totally sugar-free. So I got my tablespoon of sugar-free maple and my powdered peanut butter. And obviously you can do vanilla or chocolate. In this case, I'm using a graham cracker flavored protein. This brand happens to be Beverly. You can get it online. Depending on what protein breakdown that you might want is going to be what you're going to choose. And then I have one of these little bullets, which I love. Where's my base? There's my base. And it's super easy, and it's super easy to clean. So I have one of those big, powerful, expensive blenders. I gave it to my son because I found this easier. Anyway, so that's it. And then a couple of troubleshooting with shake. If you've never tried, hopefully by now you've tried some shakes, and this is just a flavorant for you. But sometimes you have to mess with the ice. And I have found that 6 from my refrigerator or freezer is just the ticket. So I hope that helps. Maybe that's a new flavor for you. So a little peanut butter, a little bit of maple syrup, and graham cracker flavored protein. Woo! I'm going to blend it, but not on video because it's obnoxious. Have a great day, and I hope you try it. Let me know if you do.